Find the best French press coffee maker at Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 10 best French press coffee maker on the market. 10. Stanley 48 ounces hot French press. Made of quality stainless steel. BPA-free, designed to guarantee your health and safety. It is a capacity of 48 ounces. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. 9. NISONG French press coffee maker, dishwasher safe. Quality stainless steel construction. Backed with a lifetime warranty. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. BPA-free and FDA approved for safety. 8. Coffee Gator French press coffee maker, grey. It is made with professional grade materials. Several color options available. Comes at a pocket-friendly price. It has more than 10,000 positive reviews online. 7. STARNUO French press coffee maker, heat resistant. 4 levels filtration system. 34-ounce capacity. Dishwasher safe parts for an easy cleaning. Backed with a lifetime warranty. 6. Secura French press coffee maker, 1000 ml. 3-layered stainless steel. Dishwasher safe design. It comes with a bonus stainless steel screen. Comes in 2 color options. 5. Café du Chateau French press coffee maker. It has a 4-level filtration system. BPA-free for safety. Lifetime replacement guarantee. Made with quality materials. 4. FAMIROSA French coffee press maker. Risk-free purchase. Made with durable stainless steel material. Comes at a very affordable price. FDA approved and BPA free for safety. 3. Magicafé French press coffee maker, 350 ml. Comes with a durable mesh filter. Rust resistant design. It is dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Quality after sales services. 2. Chrider French press coffee maker, black. 4-level filtration system. Easy to clean. It is backed with a lifetime warranty. Food grade materials. 1. OIG Brands French press coffee maker, 32 ounces. Multi-cup. Easy usage. Made with borosilicate glass. Comes at a very affordable price. Ideal for keeping coffee hot. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.